Welcome to the world of modern forestry machinery. Today, join me to explore the powerful working capabilities of tree stump removal excavators. Before starting, please like, share and follow the channel to support us. And now, let's get started. It's great that the shark tooth separator on the 330 excavator can easily separate giant tree stumps. The combination of the Hitachi 350 excavator and large CBI tree stump cutters creates an extremely impressive power in destroying tree stumps. With a capacity of 180 horsepower and a weight of up to 25 tons, the CAT 323 excavator makes handling tree roots simpler and more convenient than ever. It's amazing that the Komatsu PC210 excavator can remove up to 6 3-year-old tree stumps within 1 hour. With an opening of up to 75 centimeters, the Woodcracker R900 tree root scissors allows cutting many types of tree stumps of different sizes and hardness. The Vortex skid steer stump grinder is equipped with high-strength alloy steel wheels and a high-torque radial piston motor. This accessory is designed to grind stumps faster and provide a better overall experience for the operator. The power of this Vortex skid steer tree stump grinder makes tree root removal simpler and faster than ever. The power of this Bobcat E50 excavator helps save labor and improve the productivity of gardeners and workers. The new Bobcat tiller for the E35 mini excavator helps remove tree stumps exceptionally quickly. Bobcat E26 has a compact size but still has the ability to operate powerfully and flexibly. Therefore, it has become a trusted machine used in treating tree stumps in the US. Another way to remove tree stumps is to pull the tree stump using a truss system with high mechanical advantages. Pulled by a compact 18 horsepower tractor, this large stump quickly leaves the ground. Can you believe it? The Kubota U35 mini excavator dug 2 giant tree stumps in a short time. This is the perfect stump splitter for land clearing and woodworking applications. It is popular for its long life and ability to separate quickly and easily. With this machine, handling tree roots becomes easier and more convenient than ever, helping to save time and effort for users. Wow, thanks to the Facon stump shredder, a 20 oak stump was gone in 2 minutes. Although the Blue Diamond X4 HF drill is both effective and safe. However, it is still necessary to limit young children near the work area to avoid unnecessary incidents. The Rotor S stump cutting machine is a machine known for its ability to cut tree stumps powerfully and quickly, helping to increase working efficiency and save time. With strong working ability, Woodcracker R900 helps remove tree roots quickly and effectively without causing damage to the surrounding environment. The efficiency and convenience of tree root destroyers make gardening and land management simpler than ever. Let's watch this tree removal machine pull out the biggest tree stump it has ever done. The Vermeer, South Carolina 1102, a tree stump cutter, operates on St. Paul Avenue. It easily removes powerful tree roots without causing damage to the surrounding environment. In addition to giant excavators, Lasky tree stump cutters are convenient, with electric moving equipment suitable for households or small projects. After removing the stump, the soil becomes clear and clean. The 100-inch Dutchman is a device that helps preserve landscapes and maintain ecosystems. It can dig and move large trees without having to cut off the root system. It's great to move pecan trees with a 100-inch tree shovel and a John Deere 844J excavator. Thanks to it, 600 trees were moved in 5.5 weeks. The OP Ergo 993 wood chipper is equipped with a powerful Scania engine. It has a capacity of 550 horsepower. This allows the operator to quickly convert raw wood materials into valuable wood chips, contributing to the improvement of wood products on the market. Let's see the wood processing process of the CBI Magnum Force 6400 CT horizontal grinder, a powerful industrial machine. Driven by the CAT C27 motor, it can crush large volumes of water with high precision. These advanced machines play a key role in woodworking, easily grinding large volumes of material with high precision and speed. With its sturdy handle and precise handling, the Timco Feller Buncher quickly collects and loads processed wood waste into the crusher, contributing to effective waste management. The OP Ergo 993 wood chipper, mounted on a Volvo FH16 truck, is a formidable force in wood processing operations. Equipped with a powerful Scania DC16 engine with an incredible 550 horsepower, the OP Ergo 993 wood chipper easily turns logs into valuable wood chips at speeds of over 20 cubic meters per hour. Ranked in the top 10 of the woodworking industry and boasting a powerful engine capable of delivering over 500 horsepower, the Volvo 2654 is a testament to engineering excellence, moving through rugged forests to manage the tallest trees. Next comes the formidable Brush Bandit 1590 XP 2006 hydraulic drum chipper. Featuring a powerful hydraulic system and advanced technology, this beast easily shreds giant tree trunks with precision and high efficiency. With advanced inventions and powerful operating mechanisms, this machine easily crushes large trees, making an important contribution to the development of other industries. The formidable Peterson 2007 4700B grinder is a game changer in the world of wood waste recycling. With a massive engine that produces an impressive 875 horsepower, This machine can process large volumes of wood debris with unparalleled efficiency. The Rotochopper FP66 wood grinder and chipper is a dynamic duo that redefines wood processing efficiency. With powerful crushing ability, the FP66 easily turns wood waste into valuable mulch. Enter the realm of non-stop wood grinding with the Moorbark 6400 XT Wood Hog. With a powerful 1200 horsepower engine, this horizontal crusher can destroy large volumes of wood waste, processing up to 200 tons of material per hour. Enter the realm of shredding excellence with the Argus Raptor XL. With 760 horsepower, this shredder pulverizes an incredible 200 tons of material per hour with ruthless efficiency. Dive into the skilled world of wood chipping with the Moorbark 2755 wood chipper. This easily processes more than 100 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, turning waste into valuable resources, contributing to sustainable land management while maximizing productivity. Considered a symbol of reliability and performance, revolutionizing the way wood chips are handled and reused, the Model 40-36 Moorbark drum chipper easily handles mixed tree branches and twigs, processing up to 45 tons of material per hour. With its excellent ability to process hardwood logs, the Pezzolotto PTH 1200-660M drum chipper plays an important role in biomass production, and forestry operations ensure sustainable resource use while maximizing efficiency. Experience unparalleled wood processing power with the Pezzolotto PTH 1400-1000 drum chipper. And it's driven by a powerful Caterpillar engine. This beast of a machine easily turns wood into valuable scraps, helping to protect the forestry environment. The CBI 6400 CT horizontal grinder is a formidable machine that boasts an incredible 1050 horsepower engine, capable of processing over 200 tons of material per hour. It plays an important role in land clearance, recycling effective waste. unleash the power of precision grinding with the Vermeer HG6800TX horizontal grinder. This easily handles large volumes of material and sets the standard for performance and reliability, promoting productivity and environmental responsibility in the woodworking industry. Propelled by a powerful Caterpillar engine that produces an impressive 1150 horsepower, the Pezzolotto PTH 1300-1500M drum chopper achieves an incredible output of up to 120 cubic meters per hour. The Comtech Axtor 6010 is designed to tackle even the toughest jobs, making it a key asset for reducing environmental impact while reusing valuable resources. With a powerful motor delivering more than 755 horsepower, this advanced Vermeer HG6000 can process up to 400 cubic meters of material per hour, making an important contribution to land clearance and environmental protection. The Bandit Beast Model 2680 is a formidable force in the woodworking field. Equipped with a powerful 768 horsepower Volvo engine, this beast of a machine can easily crush large volumes of wood, processing up to 150 tons per hour. The John Deere 1410D mounted wood chipper is a dynamic combination designed to streamline forestry operations. Its compact design and high-performance capabilities make it an indispensable asset for forestry professionals. The Jensen JT600Z Lithium is a force in the world of wood chippers. Renowned for its efficiency and reliability, it has a sturdy design and a processing capacity of more than 25 cubic meters of wood per hour. The AHWI Chipper Hacker EC950Z is mounted on a Fendt 930 tractor. It is a formidable duo that is revolutionizing woodworking in forestry. With its high-powered motor, this machine can process up to 50 cubic meters of wood per hour. These devices are vital for modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Please comment below to let me know your thoughts. we promise to bring you more interesting videos. See you again. Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.